Hello, we are Kate, Liam, and Josh of Team Web-Meisters from the Center of Geographic Sciences, and this is our entry for Esri's ECCE App Challenge. Sustainability is more important now than it has ever been. Our future depends on it. Our app's goal is to make it easier for people in Halifax to access the vital resources they need when it comes to sustainable transportation decisions, as well as giving them the opportunity to contribute to the growth of their local transit data. Education plays a huge role in the steps to change. Providing the public with easy access to intuitive utilities and applications puts this information right at their fingertips. Now we will look at functions of the app. When you first enter the app website, you are greeted by statistics concerning the travel in the HRM. If you look at the navigation bar, you will see a few tabs that will direct you to different locations on the page. First, we'll look at the web map. If you click on the icon in the top right corner, the legend will appear to give you more details about symbolization. As you zoom in, more features appear, such as the street network and eventually the buildings and bus stop locations. The buildings are symbolized based on their distance from the bus stops. Now that we have taken a look at the data involved, there are a number of widgets that you have access to, seen in the top left corner. You can search for an address using the search bar on the top left. The first icon under the search bar is an option to add a sustainable place. Using this widget, you can add a new feature to the map by clicking the New Feature button and then clicking the location on the map. You would then fill in the information about the feature. The second icon allows you to locate nearby bus stops. Either using the search bar or using the marker button beside it and clicking on the map, you can enter in a location. Once a location has been entered, specify the distance for the search to take place. This can be from 1 to 1,200 meters. From the list and looking at the map, select your ideal bus stop. The pop-up will provide the stop number from which you can call HFX Transit to hear information about that bus stop. The directions panel also can provide directions to the bus stop if necessary. The third icon allows for similar interactions as the bus stop locator, but applies to park and ride locations. Again, either using the search bar or using the marker button beside it to click on the map, enter a location. Once a location has been entered, specify the distance for the search to take place. From the list and looking on the map, select an ideal park and ride location. The pop-up will provide relevant information about the park and ride locations. The information includes name, number of spaces, cost, address, and bus routes. The directions panel can provide directions to the park and ride location if necessary. The fourth and final widget provides a number of links the user might be interested in to further their knowledge of sustainable transit in Halifax and get where they need to go better. As you scroll past the map feature, there is a fuel savings calculator. Using this, you can enter in 3 parameters: fuel economy, distance, and cost. Once complete, click Calculate, and it will give you a dollar value for how much that commute would cost. Ergo, money you would save by not driving your own car. Next to the fuel savings calculator, you can find a Twitter feed which displays HFX Transit tweets, letting you know about service delays, updates to service, or cancellations. Below these features, there is an outline of the app's mission statement as well as a statement of characteristics of the app.
Web applications are the future of computing. They provide cross-platform compatibility for any device with a modern browser. In order to develop our website, the popular responsive front-end framework Bootstrap is used, which allows for elegant scaling across resolutions. Our submission was created using a mix of HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript, along with some PHP and jQuery for templating. We decided to use a light-on-dark color scheme with a cheerful, modern palette. We decided to use a contemporary single-page scrolling website to submit our deliverables in a linear fashion, as we wish to embrace the medium of the web for presenting not only spatial data, as well as its context. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our Halifax Sustainable Transit app. We have also provided a developer edition of the web app which incorporates the use of custom widgets for the fuel savings calculator.